Erokamano kumedo kete Ramogi TV. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto wacho ni keto tenge maromo shillings milion 600 mar siro somb jopuonjre mbalariany kaka yorno mano ni jopuonjre mochando yudo somo madwarore. Kolose nyasi masidho kondo jopuonjre mbalariany ma Garissa. Jatend piny wacho ni gwengego ni kod thuolo timo nonro kod somo mamoko. Jatend migawo masomo Ezekiel Mashogu wacho ni gimedo siro jopuonjre ahinya kalore kod wach yudo omenda ma siro sombgi.
Following the opening of the Higher Education Funding Portal on 18th of this month, 2024, I wish to encourage all eligible students who have been placed to various universities and our TVET institutions for the 2024-2025 academic year to take advantage of the opportunity to apply for loans and scholarships under the student-centered funding model.
The university must produce necessary knowledge, impart vital training, and continuously update our national capacity to handle calamities efficiently and minimize their impact on livelihoods and on people and on the nation. Prevalent human health challenges and gaps in our agricultural and livestock value chains, and additionally, through the National Research Fund, we have supported Garissa University to lead in transforming the leather value chain, catalyzing productivity for numerous smallholder pastoralists across northern Kenya and in Kenya in general.